What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get inside your laptop, and I'm going to be showing you the main things you may need to replace or the things that you want to upgrade. I'm going to be showing you how to find them and what they look like. Okay, so first things first, you want to put your laptop upside down and locate the screws in which you need to remove. You'll just simply take the back off. Be careful not to snap any of the side little brackets that hold it together. Alright, so what you don't want to do, you don't want to be like me and use something that's metal to pry it open. I did because I'm really not tripping on the state of my plastic. But anyway, you just want to start at the very edge, and then you want to just pry it open, and you'll see the little retaining clips right there, 1, 2. Yours might be in different spots, but pretty much the same situation regardless. Once you have most of it snapped off, the rest will just have to be pulled a little bit, but don't go too crazy with it. It'll probably sound wild. Let's see, it sounds, okay, that didn't sound that bad at that time. And then there you have it. Now, first thing you want to do once you get your laptop open, you want to look and see where your battery is. In this case, my battery is right here. You want to locate the screws for your battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take those out, remove the battery, and disconnect it. You want to disconnect it from wherever it's connected. You never want to be messing with any of the components or adding or taking things away while that battery is in there. As far as a little rundown on what's inside your laptop, you may have one fan on one side, or you may have two like I do, one on each side, and then you have your heat sink going from your graphics card and your CPU all the way over to the fan, helping push that out, and get it nice and cool. You may have a need to clean your fans. If your laptop is super duper loud, roaring and racing, you might want to disconnect your fans and unscrew those and take those out and just gently brush them with some type of very, very soft brush. Don't use anything rough. Don't use anything like a towel or something that you could possibly break it with. Sometimes you may not even have to use a brush. I normally just pause. I usually just blow super duper hard into it and all the dust just flies off and it's perfectly clean. But the movement of the fan blades is not that powerful to where it just knocks off the dust. So that may be a situation you may run into. I recently did mine. That's why they don't look too dusty or anything like that. You'll see the heat sinks also going from the fans to the processor and graphics card. If you see something like this, this is your RAM right here. So that's your RAM. Just pop that up. It's very easy to get to. And then you pull straight up. It's just got some retaining clips around the edges. You don't have to do anything like too crazy as far as like brute force to pull it up. You can even use like a little plastic wedge tool and get that up, and then you can upgrade your RAM. This is your hard drive. This is also a hard drive. In this particular laptop, this is the Intel Optane, so it's super duper fast, super duper beautiful. You can actually upgrade these. These are only 16 gigs that's in this laptop in particular. And then you have your battery right there. Some laptops might have them going across the whole edge. Some laptops might have them in different shapes. It just depends. Some even have them snapping onto the back, and you don't got to worry about getting inside the laptop to even get to the battery. I recently had to upgrade my battery because it just went out on me. Wasn't cool, wasn't fun, would not do anything. As soon as you unplug from the power, it would shut completely off. And that's a tip for you. If you ever unplug your laptop while it's on and it just shuts off, you probably have an issue with your battery, or if it's not charging, stuff like that, or if it's losing charge super fast, it may be time to upgrade and or replace that bad boy. Those are the main things you may have to upgrade in your computer if you so choose. And there you have it. Those are the main things you may have to find and upgrade and or replace. That's how you can get to your fans in case you need to clean them. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button. It's greatly appreciated and it helps out the channel a lot. Share this video with somebody that may be in a situation where they need to get into the laptop. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.